Alright guys, we are in this relatively new Ferrari 488 Spider. This customer bought this vehicle from a private used car dealer. It had about 2,000 miles on it. He started up the car, he was about to drive, and boom, his airbag exploded. As you can see, this is the side airbag. Rare occasion to see this on a Ferrari, but you see the door panel is ripped open. This is designed so it rips open, and this airbag saves you on the side. So this deployed without any accident. So literally started the car and boom. He hadn't even driven yet. Obviously a big problem. His seatbelt is also jammed, so it does not retract anymore. When you get into an accident, the seatbelt jams up. So seatbelt is jammed too. And the airbag and the door panel are damaged. The airbag warning light is on as well. So this car thinks it got into an accident, but it didn't. We inspected the car a little bit, but we're gonna be inspecting it more. We fully believe that this vehicle was involved in an accident. A body shop repaired it. They might have not changed the sensor. These didn't blow up. Something's wrong there. More than likely the sensor for the airbag for the side is damaged. So we're gonna have to open up everything, find the sensor, replace that, replace the door panel, airbag, replace the seatbelt, reset the system, and hopefully everything there should be good. Customer went to the dealer and they refused to fix this. Not warranty, none of that. So you guys gotta be careful when you're buying an exotic vehicle from private used car dealers. You can run into a lot of trouble. This particular dealer I've had 3 problems with. One of my customers bought a SV Aventador and it had so many problems. The car was fully modded before, but returned to stock in a very bad way. It had an engine problem. Another vehicle, a Bentley, we had a problem with, and now this. So all the same private dealer. I'm not gonna say the name, I'm not gonna throw them under the bus, but at this point, it's becoming kind of a really bad rep that it's 3 in a row. So when you guys get used cars, exotic cars, be careful. Even email us, we'll try to help you out. But yeah, this is gonna cost the customer a lot of money now. So this private car dealer, they like to do trade-ins. So if this guy had this car, modified it, got in there, wanted to do a Lamborghini or another car, trades this car in and gets that. So oftentimes these cars are modded. You could tell pretty easily by this. So as you can tell, the front reflector automatically usually is orange, and this one has a red film over it. So now that's red. This car has a front lip that's wrapped in gloss black, and then it also has carbon fiber that has a blue tint on it. Obviously not original, so he did that as well. So obviously this was a modded vehicle. Exotic cars like this, oftentimes when you buy it used, Carfax is clean, still could have paintwork, accidents, stuff like that. This car in particular, even without taking anything apart, it's very obvious it's been damaged. On a red color, especially like this on camera, is gonna be very hard to show you flaws. You gotta get really detailed, but a lot of indicative areas show us that it has paintwork. There's a lot of compound residue from sanding and buffing. There's areas of fish eyes. Orange peel on different panels are different variations, so some have more buffing on them, some do not. This car has a clear bra on it. They could have done, you know, the paintwork and then clear bra. The clear bra is very poorly done on this one, a lot of dirt. Checking that out further for the customer, he had zero idea about any paintwork. It was a used car, clean Carfax, and he thought automatically it's a clean car, why not? But then he got slapped in the face with an airbag. So it's here now, and we're gonna take care of it for him. We're gonna figure it out. But yeah, be careful out there.
And everyone said it's the biggest downgrade. Like, why would you do anything like that? Are you sad?
No.
You're not sad that you made a horrible mistake?
No.
Customer.
Marcus, during work hours, he gets his car tinted. Let me see, and he gets it limo tinted too. Did you tint your car?
Yes.
Did you ask him?
Yes. Told me it's okay.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I forgot.
Alright guys, we're here with the other 4x4. This one is getting that really crazy wrap. As you can see right now, this is the holographic chrome right here. And you see little tidbits of the silver chrome. It's very hard to see, but there's little stripes going along the car. Silver chrome and then silver chrome up here. This wrap is not easy to do. So a lot of creases in that areas, we're not going to be doing this. We're going to be leaving the silver chrome. So we want everything to be great quality and not peeling after 3 months. So we're really happy how it's coming out. The flares are done. We got to put it on there though. The 4x4 has a lot of parts. Right now, most of it is off. We put the door handles back. Still got to do the trim on these, which we're going to be wrapping as well. So it's going to look really cool when we're done. We're not even in the sun right now, and this thing is just epic. So super excited to finish up this 4x4. All right guys, I'm sure you're following us on Instagram and know that we're doing an RDB shoe line. I showed you guys the high tops last time. We are getting our other colorways very shortly within the week. We have the driver / loafer style right here. This thing is unreal in person. High quality leather, carbon fiber right here on the strip. We're gonna call this the carbon driver. It even has carbon fiber on the bottom. As you guys can see, all carbon fiber. If you guys saw the teasers, you saw how this shoe was made. We're gonna be putting that up too when we launch it. RDB logo right there in leather again. This shoe is made so incredibly well, it's ridiculous. There's not a flaw on it. Stitching, everything is beautiful. Shape is perfect for a driving shoe. It's got the heel right there like that for extra support. This is the inside pad, foam, super comfortable. Again, all red there. So everything is super high quality. This thing is higher quality than most of those luxury brands out there. I could confidently say that. So yeah, if you guys are into the driver loafer shoe style, this is literally the cleanest automotive driver shoe out there. With that carbon fiber on there, it's incredible. We have another style of this coming out, but this is gonna be our main driver shoe right here with the red guts. So really dope. Get on the website, rdbshoes.com. Right now we have a template up where you could put your information and we could keep you updated. You could even pick what style shoe you like and we'll keep you updated. We're gonna be launching very shortly with several styles. So this is just the driver loafer shoe. Check it out, support us, and appreciate the love. All right guys, it's late night. We had to 95% finish this car for filming for you guys. We have a little bit more to go, but we jumped the gun. We wanted to show you guys on YouTube this car, this truck, before we are fully completed. It's missing a few things, but check out that wrap. This is a mix of silver mirror chrome. As you can see, the top half has mirror chrome on there, and then you will see that holographic chrome that's really showing you all the full spectrum of colors. What you don't see, it might be tough to see on camera, is there's a lot of little strips of chrome, because underneath that holographic is fully covered in silver chrome. So we took another extra step and we did little strips. So little strips of chrome you'll see in between the holographic. Little added detail, looks really cool. This is that 4x4 that we did a while back, has Starlight in there. It's very loud. It's got turbo upgrades. It's got Brabus upgrades with the hood, the front LED, that kind of stuff. But you know, this 4x4 looks really unique. We do all this in-house, no subletting. We could do any design wraps you guys want, whether it's crazy, you know, functional, or you know, basic wraps. Whatever you guys want, we do it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this 4x4.
Shop is closed. Okay.
I'm gonna have to send this picture again.
You took a picture of it?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, you gotta stop doing personal stuff at work. Where it's f***ing 5:30. What you want me to do is stay on the front, look at the computer? And you look like a hooligan. Wow. Okay. All right.